Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Dr. Azeen Khan and I am 25 years old. I had graduated from King Edward Medical University, Lahore. And last year I have completed my 3 months rotation of house job in Department of Behavior Sciences and Psychiatry, Mayo Hospital, Lahore. Today my topic of discussion will be importance of healthy lifestyle, healthy food and food supplements. And the reason why I'm making this video in my kitchen is pretty self-explanatory. It's been a long year. The world has been facing a pandemic to a virus can't be cured with a medicine and be prevented by any vaccine, but only our own body immunity can fight from it. So there had already been a very big campaign on social media about improving your immunity by improving your diet and improve your immunity by taking healthy food, fruits, juices, must take vitamin C and all that. And the most important to it is that you adopt a healthy lifestyle, right? Being a doctor, I can tell you that a healthy person can fight from all the physical illnesses without any aggressive medical support. And being a psychiatrist, I think I should tell you that there are a lot of mental illnesses that are caused because of deficiency of various vitamins like vitamin E and vitamin D, etc. And so comes the role of food supplements. If you're buying a good product from a trustable food supplements company, then I assure you these will be a replacement to all the junk foods and other junky stuff that you have eaten instead of eating vegetables and fruits regularly and taking milk and dry fruits and etc. Like a healthy routine, which I know I fail and all of us fail. So these supplements are actually the replacement. They replace our diet in a way that we can eat whatever we eat, but if we take vitamin C, zinc, vitamin B complex, there are 8 vitamin B's. So if we are taking them in the form of supplements, then I can assure you that not only your skin will look glowing and it's for good for anti-aging and it's good for your bones in the long run in your old age, which you don't realize at the moment, but also you can fight from many diseases, especially the viral ones to which there is no cure at the moment. So kindly be healthy for yourself and for your loved ones, so you can be there for them instead of being in a hospital. Take strict measures of following SOPs, avoid contacting corona, and God forbid if you get in contact with it or if you catch the disease, uh, the only hope we have at this moment in November 2020 is just our immune system. So please be healthy, have a healthy lifestyle, especially in this moment. You will always be needing it. You will always be needing it in life, in future. But at this moment, where the world is facing a pandemic, I, so please eat healthy diet, eat a lot of fruits, a lot of vegetables, especially in this time when we are facing a pandemic, the whole world is facing a pandemic. Regularly drink your green teas, your herbal teas, and make lots of use of ginger and natural organic foods. Please take healthy food, be active. Thank you so much for listening to me, and I hope you must have learned something today and you will make a good choice between health and disease, and a life of a sick person and life of a healthy person. Health is wealth. Bye bye.